Oh man, New York City, state of New York, anti-gunners, and the Supreme Court is on like Donkey Kong. The Supreme Court this morning uh, smacked New York City, New York State, who is trying to get the Supreme Court to declare the lawsuit against it. Uh, it's really crazy laws on how people can move firearms or not move firearms in the city. They wanted to have it declared moot, meaning no longer worthy of a trial, no longer worthy of hearing, because both the city and the state of New York uh, eliminated all of the more onerous parts of the law. However, it was very transparent in that uh, if the Supreme Court did make it moot, the state of New York could come back and say, and rescind the law that prevented New York City from bringing such series of laws back again. Uh, so now that the Supreme Court has seen through that farce, they said that during oral arguments, they will consider whether or not it will be moot. But my sense is that this is going to go all the way to the finish line, all the way to the finish line. So I'm happy. I'm happy about that, but I'm guardedly optimistic because what we don't know is whether or not the Supreme Court is just going to rule in a narrow way, in other words, only to affect the city of New York's law, or if they will rule in such a way that says uh, citizens have a right to keep and bear arms outside of the house, which then would mean that any laws that restrict that would have to face strict scrutiny, and probably almost all of the ones that are out there on the books everywhere would fall. At least that's the hope that we have. But right now, it's film at 11. Stay tuned. It's going to get real fun. As always, thanks for watching. Carry on.